Stop sending links to articles and then just telling people to read it. Instead, send them a link to an article and highlight the area of the article that is important to them. Before I show this to you, do me a huge favor. Subscribe to the channel because there's more content coming that can be helpful. Hit the like button if you like this video so I know it was helpful to you. And comment and ask me any question and I'll answer it for you. Hey, I'm Teddy. I found this really cool tip. Actually, I learned it from Kim Commando's newsletter and thought I would share it with you today and show you how to do it. And that is how to send a link to an article, and when the viewer clicks on it, take them directly to the section that they want to read. Here, let me give you an example right here. Here's an article I got off of AP News about what I refer to as the robotic Olympics. And I want my buddy to see this phrase right here, this line right here, that there were 2,000 humanoid robots in the event. I want to make sure he goes straight to that. So what you do is you highlight that as you're reading this article, in this case on AP News, and then you right click on it and you copy link to highlight. Now when I do that and I go to send an email message, let me send a new email, compose, I'm going to send it to Teddy, I'm going to send it to my other Gmail account, read this article about the robotic Olympics. And then I'm going to paste that link right there, the whole link, and then I'm going to hit send. Now I'm going to go get this in the other email. There's the email that just came in. It says it's new. If I click on that, there's the link. Read this article about the robotic Olympics. I click on that. Watch what happens. It brings me into the article and down to that highlighted section right there. That is way more useful than sending someone an article and go, this article has what you're looking for. Let me do another one for you. Give me a second. I'm going to set this up again. This is one of my websites. I want the user to find this right here, this article right there. Instead of sending them that article, I can send them the link to the whole list, highlight that, right click on it, copy link to highlight right there. And then I'm going to send an email. Let me do it again. Send it to Teddy at Gmail. Here is the article you want to view. Put that in here right there. Put the whole link. Hit send. Let's go see what that person gets. There's the new email with that link. If I click on that link right there, it brings me into the whole article, but it brings me down to this section, which is what I want them to read or click on. Become the hero. Stop sending people articles and say, read the articles. Start sending them links to the highlighted text in the article, and you become the hero. I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping you get value out of technology, and I hope this is helpful for you.